AGVB pays job card money to beneficiaries in Dolamara. Assam to open boundaries with all northeast states for inbound persons from May 3. Local MSc and veterinary official visits Borgaon today. Hello viewers, welcome to Karbi Anglong Live. I'm Julie Baby, bringing you news for today. Now let's move to the news in detail. Health Minister Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma today announced that the state boundaries with all neighboring northeast states will be open tomorrow to allow the return of stranded people back home. This was announced by the minister during a press briefing held this evening. People stranded within their neighboring states from Sunday and pass or permit will not be required, for which stranded people can use their own or hire cab or bus. All persons coming in would have to undergo compulsory health checkup at the interstate entry gate and will be advised for self-home quarantine for 14 days or move to the hospital depending on their health status. But people would have to obtain special permission from the home states to exit Assam. Meanwhile, the minister also announced that the state government will run special trains and buses to bring back people from other parts of the country. For this, persons without personal vehicles or poor financial condition may give missed call at the number 74281 59966. Kokrajhar, Guwahati, Tezpur, Jorhat and Silchar have been listed as the cities where the incoming persons of the state will undergo health checkups. News Desk Report, Karbi Anglong Live. Proud moment for Karbi Anglong Live as the news of the hardship of the women of proper Dolamara area, which was broadcasted on April 28, 2020, has made a small impact on the local authority as job card holders were paid their money in their hometown at Dolamara here today. Our correspondent brings you this report. The Assam Gramin Vikas Bank staff reached proper Dolamara as per the instruction of local MSc Richard Togbi and VDC Chairman Sarkoi Rongphar. After receiving news and information of the hardship of women who had to travel 18 kilometers to withdraw their money after the rural bank branch was shifted to other place further away from Dolamara area. The job card beneficiaries who received their money today expressed their gratitude towards MEC Richard Togbi and VDC Chairman Sarkoi Rongphar for taking notice of their problems and swiftly acting upon it. Meanwhile, local people of the area further urged the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council to find permanent solution to establish bank branch in the area to end their hardships related to access to banking service once for all. It may be mentioned the hardship of the people of proper Dolamara related to access to banking services was broadcasted by Karbi Anglong Live on April 28. RG Sandrongpa report for Karbi Anglong Live. Now news coming in from West Karbi Anglong, local Dwar Amla constituency MAC Prabhat Chandra Taro along with KAAC Veterinary Board Chairman and some officials visited several villages under Borgaon area today, where more than 1,000 domesticated pigs have died recently due to unknown diseases. Here is a report from our correspondent. The helpless villagers approached a local journalist to highlight and flash the news of the deaths of hundreds of pigs due to unknown diseases. Acting immediately upon the news, local MSc had today visited the area to take stock of the situation. Meanwhile, the veterinary doctors say that they were not sure of what has caused the deaths hundreds of pigs, as the report of the sample which has been sent to Bhopal for testing is yet to arrive. However, they also stated that medicines were provided to the owners which included classical flu vaccine for healthy pigs.
Classical swine fever vaccine issue.
Meanwhile, local people of the area also expressed their happiness towards the local MEC and KAAC authority for their prompt action. Vidya Singh Rongpi from Borgaon for Karbi Anglong Live. In yet another news from West Karbi Anglong district, several government employees under Birsinki charge today jointly distributed food items to several families of the area. Here is more from our correspondent. While strictly observing the government's direction of social distancing, several families who were facing food scarcity received rice, dal, potatoes and sops from the group who are putting their effort to support families which are jobless and has exhausted their capacities to purchase essentials food items during this lockdown period.
Ang kabipin chongdat atumapat sang laben ke alu puru ethe jangchu sabun hehui netum jogon polo.
Altogether, 15 government employees including Karin So Bongrongpi, Lovin Kro, Daina Milikpi and others voluntarily came forward to spend their savings to help the needy families. It may be mentioned here that due to lockdown, prices of essential items have risen considerably in the remote areas due to various reasons best known only to the retailers and wholesalers. P. Ratane from Birsinki reporting for Karbi Anglong Live. And that is all we have with us for today. Thank you for watching Karbi Anglong Live.